I still say please to AI, but I stopped saying, you might want to, could you maybe, if possible? Same politeness, different result. This is a follow-up to my last video, something my son's question raised that I didn't answer. I'm George, 30 years programming, currently a Salesforce developer. This is my AI intern.
In everyday English, hedging is polite. You might want to consider. Could you maybe, if it's not too much trouble? These seek no respect. They soften a request. They give the other person room to say no. English isn't my first language, so I notice this a lot. But native speakers do it too. It's how English says, I'm being polite. That works between people. It doesn't work in prompts.
Here's what happens when I hedge a prompt. Suppose I want a summary in exactly 200 words. If I write, could you please try to keep it under 200 words if possible? AI reads that as a soft ask. The politeness registers. The constraint does not. I get back 320 words, sometimes 400. The prompt was kind. It wasn't clear. I didn't figure this out on my own. I found it in Salesforce's own documentation, their guide to writing instructions for AI agents. It's a page called Best Practices for Writing Agent Instructions. Anyone can read it. Links in the description. The guide says something specific. When something is required, use the word must. When something is recommended, use should. Don't hedge. That was the moment it clicked for me. So, here's how I write prompts now. I keep the please. That's for character. I talked about that last time. But the constraints get the direct treatment. Instead of, could you please try to keep it under 200 words if possible? I write, please, the summary must be under 200 words. Same politeness, hard constraint. Both together. Neither one weakens the other. Here's what I've come to understand. In video 12, I said the three fundamentals of a prompt are clarity, context, and constraints. In video 13, I said, please is worth keeping for character. Video 14 is the connector. These two ideas don't fight each other because they live in different parts of the prompt. Kindness lives in tone. Clarity lives in constraints. You can be kind and clear, just not in the same words. Drop a comment and tell me, what hedging word have you stopped using in your prompt? Was it might, maybe, if possible, when you get a chance? Or the opposite? Do you disagree? Is hedging still useful when you're prompting AI? I want to hear where you've landed. I'm George. This is my AI intern. Subscribe. New videos as I learn. See you in the next one.